Ari's Take Academy for Musicians Honest Review. Watch before using. Ari's Take Academy is a music business education platform designed specifically for independent musicians looking to take control of their careers. It offers courses on everything from music marketing, streaming strategies, and revenue generation to the ins and outs of licensing, touring, and building a fan base. One of its strongest features is its practical, no-fluff approach, making it ideal for artists who are serious about understanding the business side of the industry. The Academy was founded by Ari Herstand, a successful independent musician and author of How to Make It in the New Music Business. His hands-on experience in navigating the music industry independently makes the courses highly relevant and actionable. The platform primarily offers two types of courses: self-paced online classes and more in-depth, interactive group coaching sessions. The self-paced classes are structured in bite-sized modules, making them easy to fit into a busy musician's schedule. The group coaching options offer personalized feedback, which can be invaluable if you're looking for more tailored advice. Ari's Take Academy also provides lifetime access to course materials, which is a huge plus for artists wanting to revisit the content as their career evolves. This academy is best suited for indie artists, DIY musicians, and small teams, managing artists who want to develop a solid understanding of the music business without relying on traditional labels. It's not just for beginners either. If you've been in the industry for a while but haven't seen significant growth, the insights and strategies here can help unlock new opportunities. On the downside, the courses aren't cheap, but considering the depth of information and lifetime access, it's a worthy investment if you're serious about your music career. In short, Ari's Take Academy delivers a straightforward, professional education that empowers musicians to take charge of their business. If you're tired of trial and error approaches and want a clear path forward, this is an excellent resource worth considering.